e choke. Quick one, no verse. Let me just tori ṣaago bugo. Please, to whom it may concern, next time tẹ́ bá tiẹ̀ máa bú wa ṣé ń gbọ́, even if you wan insult us, if you want to insult somebody, those who live in glass house don't throw stones, okay? Èmi lè jẹ́ alágàbàgebè bẹ́yìn agitator ṣe sọ tó wá ṣe bí ẹni pé àwọn colleagues yẹ tẹjọ́ ń ṣẹ̀sìn ló ń bá wí tó ń throw shade. I might be cunning like you exclaimed and you were acting like you were updating for your colleagues. Ṣé tí n bá wá ṣe nǹkan tí ò dáa àṣẹ ẹ̀ ń rí gbogbo fídíò wa látijọ́ yìí ẹjọ́ bàbá ńlá kú bàbá ta ló fún mi lówó dátà tí n bá rí gbogbo fídíò yín látijọ́ yìí nǹkan, am I living my life for you? Ẹ̀yin agitators, because I don't get you people. Àwọn kò ń darapọ̀ mọ́ yín tẹ́lẹ̀ wọn ò mọ ibi tí kò ní yẹ ìyá láyà yín òfò lẹ́ máa ṣe kò ní dáa fún yín. Ṣé mi ń jalè ni? Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ yín fúnra yín náà lẹ bọ́ síta tẹ yẹ ìyá ara yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń exploit gbogbo àwọn tó support yín, àwọn tó wà ní diaspora tó ń forí ṣe tó ń fọ̀lá ṣe tẹ́ ń tọ̀ wọ́n ẹ gba Oòduà ẹjọ́. Even if you are going to take the Oòduà nation, even if Yoruba is going to split, must you be exploiting others who are working with their hard-earned money? Not be say all these people rich oh. Diaspora people wey you people are taking advantage of. You now came out, you believe you are shading me. Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ̀yin kò tiẹ̀ sọmọ náà tí ó jọṣẹ wọn tí bí ẹ̀dá mi ò fẹ́ mọjú orí ẹ̀. Wàá máa ṣe bí ẹ ń pa àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ẹlẹ́sìn ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ náà ló ń bá wí ni. Wọn ò tí bí ẹ̀dá. Aṣọ tí èpè bá bọ́lẹ̀ bá ńlá kú bá bẹ́ẹ̀ tó lè wó òtí sí. Ṣé mi ń bá yín jalè ni? Iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ tèmi lèmi ń jẹ. Fúnra yín náà lẹ máa ń sọ. Wọ́n fún yín tẹ́ ò bá fẹ́ yín lówó dátà ẹ̀ lè sùn ẹ̀ lè jẹ. Ọpẹ́lọpẹ́ agitators campaign kò bá má so oúnjẹ fún ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín. If not for the Yoruba nation rally here and there that you people are doing, some of you wouldn't have been able to feed, because it's all these people you are taking money from that is feeding all of una. You cannot go and work. You all of you back, you said so all of a sudden somebody came and joined you. The person doesn't support you before. She came and joined. Who are you? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Am I rogue? Am I thieves like you people that you take advantage of others with their hard-earned money? I buy my data, I buy my sheets. Nobody, do you understand? Nobody, no man, nobody in any corner. Even still, I'm still the one that is feeding others. Èmi ni mo tún bá àwọn èèyàn. So tó bá sọ ipá lágàbàgebè lèmi alábòsí lèmi gbogbo ẹ̀ ló bá mi lára mu. Gbogbo ẹ̀ tèmi hélì rí láyé kò sẹ́ni tó lè sẹ́ pé mo wọnú inbox òun rí láyé. Tí n bá wọnú inbox ẹ̀ kó gbé proof ẹ̀ jáde. I might be hailing people, I might show I love people I respect. None of them can talk that I have ever been to their inbox. You must be very silly and stupid. A man rope with just is it because I've been keeping quiet? Even if I update, instead of you stupid assholes, whoever you are out there, to share, you will never share. You will go and do your own update and said all I have said. Many of you, until you watch me, you cannot not only I'm not implying only agitators now. If you don't watch me, you cannot do updates. Imagine riffraff like that. You now come out. Darapọ̀ mọ́ wa tẹ́lẹ̀ torí ẹ rò pé kò ní bọ́ọ̀sì iṣẹ́ tí wàá gbà. So from now on, me, I hands up. Do you understand? I hands up. Ó dàbí ẹ pé man Tinubu yẹn ó dàbí ẹ pé Ọlọ́run wà lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ torí olórí burúkú lẹ́yìn Yorùbá. Ẹ lè má takora yín. Nídìí pé ẹ fẹ́ kó máa rí pé àfẹ̀mí. So Yoruba nation òfò tẹ́ ń bá kiri mo ti filẹ̀ fún yín mo yọwọ́. Do you understand? Ẹ̀ǹtẹ́ wèrè téèyàn ti mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ ó sàn ju èèyàn dáadáa tó ló ń bọ̀ téèyàn ti mọ̀ lọ. Do you understand? Èmi ti yọwọ́ tèmi because ẹ̀rẹ̀ kí márùn jẹjẹ ó pè mí ju ẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ. So your una Yoruba Oòduà or whatever you call it, I cease to be part of you people. Do you understand? The devil I know, the devil I knew is better than that angel that is still coming that I don't know. Because mi ò lè jẹ́ kéèyàn wá lọ dà mí sí. Do you understand? Despite all what what you people did to me, including your Igboho Oòṣà, despite that nobody is feeding me, despite all what olórí burúkú gbogbo yín, I'm not implying only agitation on this social media. Do you understand? I mind my shit. I don't force people to buy me. You will still come out. Am I among those of you who are chopping data money, who people are as old as you are? You exclaim me with your mouth that those of you who are giving us money for data, yes, and the rest of you who are stealing in the name of their agitators, is it not you people that also came out and exposed all of una? Una don fight tire eti fe bara yin japa. Fúnra yín náà lè máa ń wá àtàwá tó àṣírí ara yín. Èmi yẹn wòra yín, èmi yẹn lè wá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ sí. Now you wan come insult me. Where me if I get any skeleton in the wardrobe with anybody, bring it out now. Maybe we dey thief together. If you have evidence that I was exploiting people of their money with you, if you have the evidence, bring it out now. What is so difficult in that? If you people have been updating, I did not react. What of me? Ever since I'm on the social media, my show has never been shared, for the record. Did I bite anybody? Did I fault anybody? Ó dà pọ̀ lórí burúkú nìyí. Tẹ́ bá lẹ́ni jáwọ́ lọ́rọ̀ mi, òfò lẹ máa ṣe lágbára Ọlọ́run. Inú òfò lẹ máa wà lágbára Ọlọ́run. Thunder fire you. Tẹ́ bá lẹ́ni jáwọ́ lọ́rọ̀ mi, gbogbo bí mi ò ṣe gbàjẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín rí, tí mi ò tọrọ lọ́wọ́ yín rí, tó yẹ pé mi ò ever kọjá àyè mi rí lọ́dọ̀ anybody yín, tí mi ò gbé abọ́ gàrí délé yín. Tẹ́ bá lẹ́ni jáwọ́ lọ́rọ̀ mi, lágbára Ọlọ́run gbogbo ọ̀nà yín máa dàrú. Orí burúkú ẹ̀ ní mọ̀ ṣe òfò nílá ìhòòhò tí mo wà yìí, ìhòòhò tí mo wà yìí tọkùnrin ò gorí àyà mi, that no man has ever touched me for almost 3 years, that all these causes will be your portion. Kò ní sọ fún yín, ṣiṣẹ́ máa bá gbogbo yín ni. Ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú olòṣì yìí. What kind of nonsense is this? CBC trouble. What kind of nonsense is this? Anything I do, it's God that led me. If God say I should come and speak in favor of somebody, I will come out. God might say I should speak in opposing somebody, I will come out and speak. And so God might even say, this one, stand still. Don't put your mouth. Kò sẹ́ni tó fún mi 1 naira rí, kò sẹ́ni tó, nobody has ever shared my show. Still, you will be threatening me. Òfò akànlẹ̀kùn yín abayín di abayín mu. Kò ní dá fún yín, kò ní yẹ yín lágbára Ọlọ́run. Not only agitators, all of you that tẹ́ bá ní pé mama múlẹ̀ ayé gbóná mọ́ mi, because you cannot dictate my life. You cannot dictate my life. You don't know anything about me. Even your agitation whatsoever is a scam. Who was the first person that initiated it on the social media? Was it not I? That's my update is still there, evergreen. That I was crying. Tí mo bẹ̀ gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá, I was the one that initiated it. I was the one. I can swear with my life, with everything. I was the one that initiated. I was crying. Do you understand? But anything that happened to my work or anything, I give God the glory. I believe that is how God wants it. I've never come to try to shade people, to try to blame you for what? So lórí burúkú ni yín ni. Èyàn adé máa ní sùúrù, èyàn máa ní sùúrù. I will update like this. Instead of them to see that, when they see that, this update is very powerful, these olórí burúkú people, they will never share. They will go and update exactly as if they are the one, not knowing that they have watched my show. Do you think I don't know all of you? You think that you are tapping from my potential? You think I don't know all of you, riffraff? If that is why some, if I did not update like this, they will not update at all. They don't know what to say. Until I must come out, I'm the one that trained most of you, orientate you. I know many people that it was different thing they were doing on the social media until I started my motivational speech. Abolórí burúkú ni yín, ta ni mo gbàjẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ rí? Ta ni mo bẹ̀ tí mo bẹ̀ pé ọjọ́ ó kù díẹ̀ káàtó? Ṣé rò pé mo kó yín jẹ ni? Tí ní oge tó gé jẹ, no, I'm okay. Do you understand? I'm okay. Mi ò ní lọ fa kíní, but tẹ́ bá lẹ́ni jáwọ́ lọ́rọ̀ mi, I'm not wearing anything, I'm naked. And with my keeping myself alone for almost 3 years, it will never be well with you. Kò ní sọ fún yín láàárọ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run, kò ní sọ fún yín ní gbogbo ìgbà. Ṣiṣẹ́ òfò lẹ máa bá kiri. Èmi ò sínú Yorùbá agitator yín mọ́. No, do you understand? Even Daddy Wole Soyinka said it. Òun ò pé ọmọkùnrin ní hero. Mo tún bọ́ta mo wá solicit pé àgbàlagbà máa níyìn. Àṣé àgbàlagbà. Àṣé nǹkan tí àwa bá ṣì ń wá ládà pé ká gòkè kárí. Àṣé àgbàlagbà ti rí. Wọ́n láwọn ò pé ní hero táwọn. Ẹ má kó kíní bọ́ àwọn lọ́wọ́. Àwọn ò pé ní hero. He exclaimed it that Sunday Igboho is not his hero. Daddy Wole Soyinka said it. I still came out and solicit and said, why would you say that, sir? Not knowing that he knew what he was saying. Ẹ tún wá máa throwing shade and see if you are the one feeding me. I'm not disagreeing. I'm not saying no to what you have said about me, or that I'm very corny, I'm not straightforward, I'm alabosia. But it is none of your ass fucking business. Nǹkan tó bá fẹ́ ṣe kó ṣe, do your worst. Yes, it's true that I'm corny. It is true that I'm a devil. It is true that I'm an intruder. Like one of your agitator kakos have said, it is true that I'm an intruder. Do your worst. Oh, ní ṣoríire, oh, ní ṣàtò dájẹ́, kò ní bẹ́ṣọ́ fún ẹ pẹ̀lú ọjọ́ orí ẹ. Olórí burúkú olóṣì. You think I don't see all your nonsense, all of you now? I always say it. I will never stoop so low. Because honestly, it's not a matter of being proud. Kò sẹ́ntì gbèsè ayé ẹ̀ lórí social media yẹn tí gbèsè ayé yín mú yes tí mo fi tọrọ láyé. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ n forí burúkú tọrọ. Even àwọn tó pera wọn ní celebrity tó bá update kan jẹ́jẹ́ báyìí tó rí pé hot cake ni, they will quickly, because they have more viewers and everything on Instagram, they will quickly come out after you and start doing what you did. Rubbish. You think all the nonsense all of una dey do, you think I don't notice? Eye service notice me. Orí burúkú tẹ̀ ń bá kiri kúrò lójú kan, suffering and smile òfò lẹ́ ń ṣe and constitute nuisance. You now came out, you think you can insult me. If you have any secret of me, bring it out now. Bring it out. Do I solicit for petty money like all of una? You say you are agitators. Meanwhile, it's in the name of trying to feed without working for your money. All the people that you are fooling, all other Yorubas, I feel sorry for all of you now that you are giving them money, your money. So that's your Yoruba nation. Me, I'm very certain. Say, una go succeed, una go take am. Ẹ máa gba Yorùbá tòótọ́. Èmi ò dẹ̀ fẹ́ bá yín wà bẹ́ẹ̀. Do you understand? I'm not interested. So count me out. Wọ́n ti ṣépè fẹ́yìn Yorùbá pé òfò àtàdánù ṣiṣẹ́ tó mú òbúkọ tó fi ń gùn yẹ màmá bá yín ní mọ̀ wá wù láyé lè olórí burúkú ni yín mẹ́ntó you don't know the person you are supposed to insult and the person you should not insult. Wọ́n ti fi òfò àtàdánù ìṣe yín. I rest my case. Girl, please share and subscribe. Ẹ̀yin tí tèmi ẹ jẹ́ jápa scam ní kíní àánú yín ṣe mí. Ẹ wo mo ti bọ́ lọ́n dúró mo tá wà kálítù máa Tinubu yẹn ó dàbí ẹ̀ ń pọ́ lọ́n wà lẹ́yìn máa yẹn. Kí ló dé tẹ̀ǹtẹ̀ǹ dragi MC Olúọmọ torí ọkùnrin ẹgbẹ́ Ìgbòho ṣá. He cannot face a man like him. You begin to drag MC Olúọmọ wey dey jeje on his lane because una wan do rally. You dey drag am. Ìgbòho ṣá ò lè face ẹ̀ǹtẹ̀yìn abájọ tí ọkùnrin Wọlé Ṣóyínká ṣe ní àwọn ò pé ó ní nǹkan tó ti rí. A lot of you you just want to use it to take name, to make star. Not that you are capable, not that you are ready for the requirements. Not that you are. Do you understand? I sorry for una. If you think Rome was built, you lè fèrúgbà bùkún and tọ́ra yín. But èmi ò ń ṣe ní àrífín yín o. I'm not your type that you can misyan to. Tẹ́ ẹ bá fẹ́ ṣòfò ìhòòhò mo wà kò ní sọ fún yín.